Alright, today we're gonna get a fan for your PlayStation 5 replacement. So if your fan dies out on your PlayStation 5, we're gonna go ahead and replace it. So let's go ahead and do that. So check it out, guys. This is the actual fan we're gonna replace. They give you all these tools that are not necessary, alright? Spatula to display thermal paste, but we're not touching anything on thermal, so we're just going to replace the fan, the existing fan, all right, on the PlayStation. And of course they give you a torque 5-star, and it has a little hole center, so I don't need my tools. I went to go get them, but I guess I'm not gonna need them, so we're gonna go to the side. All right, we're gonna go ahead and replace the fan, if you guys can see it. So we are gonna remove this part. I do gotta be careful on this part here. There's an entry. Take this part off. All right. Once we do that, we're gonna remove this part here. So just don't lose this part. And then we're gonna use the box. There it goes. That's all we're gonna need access to. That's pretty much it. Just that one. We're not gonna replace anything else but that fan. So I'm not gonna remove the whole thing. Go ahead and start removing the screws. These guys take out all these screws. This is the only one that's different, if you guys see it. So I'm gonna put this one in the corner. Cover comes off, the whole thing comes off, and all you gotta do is remove this part right here. Just make sure that the screws is here. There we go. The whole thing comes off. You guys can see it. That's it. Not that hard to take off. It's just these 3 pieces. I'm not even gonna take out the whole thing like other people take out so many screws. 4 screws, that's all you need to take off. All right, the new one's going back in there. You guys can see the new one. It's exactly in the same spot where it's supposed to go. This goes back in here. That's it. Put that in here. Put that, cover it up. That's done. Here, we almost forgot the main part. The cover. Now let's put this one back where it belongs. That's it. One thing I almost forgot, to be honest with you, to put in this plastic, the actual ventilation. So we're gonna pop it back in. There we go. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.